empower the church. Woo! Man, that's my shout for the day. Let's listen and notice that Jesus is on the offense, not the forces of sin. Y'all got that? Yeah. I was watching football yesterday, and I was watching, and I saw where when the team got the offense, when the team is on the offense, it's the folks that's on the defense. Responsibility to stop the offense. Jesus, the church, is on the offense, not the forces of Satan. Jesus ain't trying to stop hell. Hell is trying to stop Jesus. And some of y'all prayers tell me that you don't know the game plan because you're coming against Satan as if he's trying to stop you. And the Bible says that Jesus ain't trying to stop him, he's trying to stop us. We have the ability to score. Ask your neighbor, when was the last time you scored? See, you don't even know you got the ball. You playing defense, and Satan said, I already done won the game because they playing defense. If they playing defense, I'm playing defense. At least they ain't gonna score. But the devil is a